guys, it's me Mandiscurls here, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about everything to do with hair, beauty, and DIYs. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig that I have here. It's the Free Tress Equal Drawstring Full Cap, the Natural Me, and I got it in a number 1. It does come with instructions, just to let you know, on the inside on how to care for your hair. And for the actual wig, it does come with combs in the front and in the back, along with the drawstring and the stopper. I would suggest wearing an actual wig cap with this wig, just because the combs here can snag on your hair, and then it just defeats the purpose of having a protective style, because your hair will rip and it won't grow and rotate. So my hair is actually curled, but it's for a different reason. It wasn't necessarily just to blend with this hair. It does at the moment, but because I know my hair, it's going to start frizzing as it is right now. And there's a big dutty, you know, gray hair right here. So I ain't trying to have that, you know, be out right now. So I'm going to show you guys a few styles that I came up with. It does actually show you on the front and the back on how to actually come up with some styles, but I will show you guys as well. So I do have my wig cap here, and I'm just going to put this on, and I'm just going to put that on, and I just put the combs to the back underneath the cap, and just for the top here, just a little bit. The combs are just right underneath. I mean, obviously this looks like a hot mess like that, but when you put your hair out a little, push it back a little bit, just like so, and this is a style right here, guys. You can get some edge control, and then just put that here. That is style number 1. And I like this hair. It's very, very bouncy. It's very big. So if you're not into like big hair, then this wig is probably not for you. But this is a vibe, eh guys? That's cute for a night out in the town. So I just got myself, it's actually a scarf. It's like a 3-in-1 kind of thing. I did get it from the doll store. So I'm just going to wrap this around my hair, and I'm just going to put this here, wrap it around, grab some of the hair, put this up a little. Sorry guys, I just need a mirror. And you're gonna wrap it back. And put it forward. Okay, that was a little struggle there, but this is style 2, and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like in the back. Can even make like a faux bang by getting some bobby pins and just making it, just scrunching it up a little bit, and then getting a bobby pin and then pinning that in. There, looks like you have some bangs. That looks cute. Or even, this is when the edge control is needed again. Just gonna take out a little bit of my hair, and you can pin it to the side. Just blend that up. See right here, where this is my hair and this is the wig. So you can blend that in. Can even actually have it just all the way back here, and just take out some of your hair. Where is my comb? Okay, I don't know where my comb is, but just taking out some of your hair to blend it in. Okay, you can just get one of these and then just pull it back. And maybe get some edge control again, so it doesn't look too like grandma-ish. So for this style, I did slick back my hair, and one, it wasn't like in the back, it still needs to be slicked up, but because this hair is so big, I don't think that it necessarily is necessary. So I just gelled it up and I tied it down for about 10 minutes. Really, like, I think 5 minutes, but anyways, 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like. And because it has the combs, I'm just going to put that, stick that in the back and in the front, and then get the drawstring and use the stopper part and just tuck it in. The excess hair, sorry, not the excess hair, the excess string, I'm just tucking it in. And this is the ponytail. It's so cute. It's so bouncy. Oh my god. This is cute. I love it. And these curls, oh my gosh. Isn't this cute, guys? I love a good ponytail. And this hair is very versatile. It's for an actual wig. You can do it as a half wig. You can do it as a ponytail. So that's like, that's bomb for me. So I have this headband from Zara. Oh my god, it's tight. And cute, isn't it? Oh yeah, this is cute. This gives me very beachy vibes. So that is it for me, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a video. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.